On the solemn occasion of Kashmir Solidarity Day, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir admired Naveed Ashraf, Chief of the Naval Staff, and Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of Air Staff, on behalf of the Armed Forces of Pakistan, reaffirmed their unwavering support for the resilient people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in their epic struggle for self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Pakistan Armed Forces they strongly condemned grave violence of human rights in IIOJK, including extrajudicial killing, enforced disappearances, arbitrary detentions, and attempt to alter the demographic and political landscape of the region, with blatant disregard for international law, said a news releases issued by the Inter-Services Public Relations ISPR. We reiterate that the just and peaceful resolution of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions and the aspiration of the Kashmiri people remains essential for lasting peace and stability in South Asia. The international community must take concrete and meaningful action to alleviate the sufferings of the Kashmiri people, it said. The armed forces of Pakistan, they remain steadfast in their duty to safeguard Pakistan's sovereignty and territorial integrity, unwavering in their solidarity with their Kashmiri brothers and sisters in their rightful quest for freedom and dignity. It further says that long live Pakistan and long live Kashmir.